kids. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my god, I look so tired. It's really early. It's Veterans Day, so I didn't have to work today. And I made an appointment to go get a Dominican Blowout. I'm also gonna get my hair trimmed. I haven't had my hair cut in over a year, so that needs to be done. And I'm a little worried because everybody I told that I'm getting a Dominican Blowout, they're like, why do you want the damage, and why do you want this, and why do you want that? And I'm like, it's not that I want it, but my hair's already damaged because I flat iron my hair all the time anyway. So yes, but anywho, I really just wanted to go get my hair done so that I can get it cut and call it a day because my hair needs to be cut. But I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm gonna try to see if I can record and stuff in there. So yeah, let's go. I think they don't open until 9 o'clock. My appointment is right at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna see if they will let me come in. I also brought a book, of course. I am reading A Court of Thorn and Roses with a couple of girls from my book club. Book club is kind of over for the year, so we're not reading a November book or a December book. We're gonna pick back up in January, my bad. So we're gonna pick back up in January. But the leader of the book club asked if anybody wanted to join her in reading this series. So of course I am going to do it. I read the synopsis of the book and it's giving very much maybe Harry Potter vibes or close to it. Like it's like a fiction type of fantasy book or whatever. So I actually am new to liking fantasy books and I'm excited about it. So this is book 1 of the series. Everybody's been talking about how lit the book is, so I actually cannot wait to read it. I am on my this is my 49th book for the year, so I'm excited to read this. And then I'm going to read one more book for the year and that's it. I'm gonna get to 50 and stop, okay? I was actually parked at the back entrance. The front entrance is right over there. Sorry, I can't really get I'll get a good video when I get out, but yeah, okay. Woo, y'all, let me back y'all on up. Okay, my hair is bone straight, you hear me? Look how good that looks. I love it so much. She kept on complimenting me on how, you know, healthy my hair looks. I was like, oh, thank you. But woo, this thing is straight. You hear me? Like, I'm not straightening my hair myself for a while. I'm not gonna have to wash my hair for a while because this is gonna last. Like, whoo, it is really straight. And she gave me a great trim. Finally got my ends cut. I needed to do that because yeah, I am so sorry I did not record much while I was in there. Like, I got really scared to record once I got in there because it was a lot of people. Like, I saw somebody that used to be one of my coworkers too, and it's 11 o'clock. So I walked in there at 9. It's 11. It only took 2 hours. That's what I'm talking about. Typically this is like an all-day thing, so I'm so glad. Yo, she also washed the hell out of my hair. Like, when I tell you my scalp is clean, like, sheesh. Anytime I need my hair done, y'all, I'm gonna go back. I'm going back. I am going back because, yeah, whoa. Like, look at my, like, do y'all see? She got the edges, like, Jesus. She straightened the hell out of my hair, y'all. Wow. My hair is this ugly brown color though. Like, I wish my hair was black, but like, look at my edges. Whoa. I also bought a thermal protector that she actually used on my hair when she was straightening it. It's this right here. That stuff was bomb and it smells really good. So yeah, so I'm only gonna go here when I need to get my hair trimmed. And she cut my hair really good. She didn't cut off too much. Like, she was trying to show me like how much she cut off, and it wasn't a lot. She did a good job. Thank you, girl. I went to Maryland. Okay, I wanted to come back on here, y'all. First of all, why as I'm getting out of the car, it tried to start raining on you, girl. Not y'all trying to mess up my hair that I just got done. But yeah, I just want to come back on here so that y'all can like fully see my hair. The cut is what I really went for, okay? Like, I really needed to get my hair trimmed. Okay, hi. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. She did a good job, really good job. She did ask me if I wanted to get my hair cut in layers. I said no, I will keep the regular boring. I don't think it's boring. I love my hair being all like one length or whatever all the way around. Hey, so I had to come back on here real quick and just show y'all for real. But I'm probably just going to wrap it, possibly put some flexi rods in there. We're gonna see. Look at it. It looks so good. Y'all, this is about to be my lady. All right, for real. Bye.